Hi, teachers. Okay, so for today's Technology Tuesday, I'm going to show you a new app that has just been pushed out to all the students, and teachers, you're going to probably find this helpful. This is called Google Cast for Education. What you'll need to do is you'll need to go to the web store, and you're going to download Google Cast for Education, and this is what the logo looks like right here. On your student screen, up here, this is where their apps are right here. This one, it's not going to show it on mine, but on a student's Chromebook, there's going to be, let's see, it's going to look like this logo right here. Like I said, it's already been pushed out to all of the students. So what you'll need to do is have the students completely shut down their Chromebook, turn it back on, and then they're going to see, like I said, this logo up here in this this bar right here. So basically how this works is I'm going to open up my screen. This is Google Cast. Basically, when the students want to share something with you, like say, for instance, they did a PowerPoint or a Google Slides or whatever they're doing, or a Prezi, and they want to be able to put it on the projector. In the past, they've had to share with you the link to the project or maybe put it in your Google Drive, however they wanted to do it. Well, now they can just cast their work onto your computer, and if you had your laptop connected to a projector, they could automatically from their seat cast their project onto your computer, like I said, and then it'll show on the projector. So it's super easy. All you're going to do is come in here and click share, and then you'll have to add your students who you want to have access to do this. You have a couple options. The can present, can request, or remove access. Basically, you want to leave it at can request because they have to ask before they cast onto your desktop or laptop. So what you would do right here is you would just go in and you can type in 21. Let's say I'm just going to put an M, and you'll see all these kids will come up. You can just go in and select the kid and then click add and then click save. It's kind of hard to show you from a student perspective what it looks like, but this will kind of give you an idea of how it works. I'm going to use Grace's account because she's my assistant right now. So on her computer, she would press the Google Cast, which I said is in that bar up there, and then she's going to type in my name. Oh, I forgot to tell you. So in settings right here, you need to choose a receiver name. So you could do each period, or you could just do your name however you wanted to do that. I just put Miss Hammonds and save. So on their screen, it's gonna say search, and they would put in Miss Hammonds, and it does have to be from me playing around with it. It does have to be spelled correctly. Caps and everything. So she's already done that. So she would select my name, and then in just a second you're going to see this pop up because she has requested access. So then I'm going to come in here and click accept, and then now her screen, which I'm on a Chromebook right now, you can see that this mouse and everything that's moving, this is actually on her Chromebook. So I would come up here, and I'm going to go to YouTube because I want to show you one other kind of cool feature. See, it automatically changes. And let's see, I'm just going to just click something. So this is going to pop up. And you'll notice that even the audio from her Chromebook is now showing up on my desktop. So if you had the speakers hooked up to your laptop to project, it does that automatically as well. And then the last thing is that at any point, if you want to quit the cast, you just click stop right here, and then it goes back to your screen. So it's super easy. I think this could come in really handy for you guys, especially if they're presenting projects, like I said. I pinned the Google Cast down to my bar down here. Just pinned it so that it's always there. And the only thing that I've really noticed about this is that when they go in and search her name, it does take a few minutes for it to go in and find it initially after that first time, and then after that she's been able to, every time she requests, it immediately pops up. But it's just that first initial screen access. It takes just a few minutes. So probably what I would do as a teacher is, if you know something like this is happening, go ahead and enter all those names right here, share, ahead of time, and then also have your students go in and request to have access to your thing ahead of time. And then from there, it's worked every time since then. So, all right, I know it's kind of hard to show this just on my computer, so if you guys have any questions, just let me know. All right, thank you.